Hello everyone, my name is Tiago and today we'll talk about the indexOf built-in method from JavaScript. What this method basically does is return us the index of a value that we are trying to find, and we give it to the value that we give to this method, as you can see here. Now, as you can see here, we have a variable with a string, a text. This coffee is smelling good. I will drink this coffee. So here we are going to store the index of the first occurrence of coffee in this variable, and then console log it here so we can see what is the index of the value that we gave this method to find. So let me execute so I can explain better. So as you can see here, we got the coffee's index being 5 and Tia's index being 1 negative. But why 1 negative? So as you can see here, we don't have any Tia in this string. So when indexOf doesn't find the value that we are trying to find, it will result as 1 negative. So if you receive 1 negative, it's because the value that you try to find isn't in the string. So here coffee, but why 5? Because it's the first occurrence. It's the it's the word's first letters index. So, and just remember, as you can see here, we have coffee 2 times, but it will return as just the first time that we find it. So 1 by 5. So here we have each space, each character, including spaces, are an index. Is an index. So here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will return 5 because it's the word's first letters index that is returned to us. So that's how we use it to find the occurrence of a value in a string. So now we can pass a second argument to this method, that it would be the index that we are going to try to start from. So here we won't find the value coffee. Why? Because we are starting from index 6, and as we saw before, coffee starts in the fifth index. So as you can see here, we will find 1 negative because here index 6 is here, so it won't find coffee. So but if we put here at 2, it will find, because starting from 2 we will still get coffee here. So let's go to the second example, just come back, and now we are going to show you how to use this method but using arrays. So now I just put the second argument to remember, but we won't use it here. And in arrays different of strings, like now each value here has its own index. So it's index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, until the infinite, or to the end of the array, obviously. So let's try to find, in this case, yellow. We have yellow here, but we don't have orange. So it will be the same thing. When we don't find a value, it will return us 1 negative, but if we find it, it will return us the values index. So it returns us 3, yellow, 0, 1, 2, 3, and here it is, the yellow's index in the array. And that's it. We can use it basically to check if there is a value in an array or a string. We can get the index of these values. So this building method is very useful. So if you like this video, if you enjoyed, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and bye.